Hello and welcome back to my channel. So of course I forgot to film an intro, so this is my intro. Hey, in today's video I'll be showing you how I did my Marley twist. This style took me about 3 hours to complete. I probably would have finished faster if I didn't have to take those second row of twist out and redo them. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you so much for watching. This is the hair that I'm using. Expressions. I have it in the color 2. I already used 1 pack. Using this braiding gel, Style Fixer Extreme Hold braiding gel. I like it. It don't really, it's supposed to smell like orange. It don't. So this is how the hair looks, and I literally just take one. And I just fluff it out. I'm just gonna start on this one with my twist apart, and I just start like braiding it down. So I braid it down like 4 times, and then that's when I split my hair, and then I just start twisting. Then I make sure I keep fluffing out the ends. And I just add some edge control where my hair ends, just to slick it in there a little bit better. The parts at the top of my head are a little bit different because this side of my head, my hair is more thin on this side, I think, and this side is more thick. So these parts are much smaller than this side. I don't care too much about it being that different. I'm kind of at a, I don't know, a standstill, I guess, with my hair right now. I'm not really feeling my hair in general. So I figured doing a short little cute little fast little protective style was gonna help me not be feeling the way I feel about my hair. Because if it was up to me, which it is, but if it was up to me, there would definitely be a perm in here, and I would definitely have a pixie cut right now. I don't know how I feel about my hair right now, and I'm trying my best not to cut it. Hey y'all. That sounded good actually.
Hey y'all. I just got some new lip gloss. So I'm, feeling.
How you feeling?
Kitchen, yeah. Yeah, I'm feeling good. I got work tomorrow. I want some ice cream so bad. You look good.
I definitely ate this look.
Yeah, you're like glowing.
It's literally why I wanted this, just so I could put it in the bun.
Yeah, no, it's yeah, exactly, yeah. You know what we should do for Halloween? Medusa.
Back ones
That's not your business. The back is not your business.
No, the back ones I definitely messed up. Actually, let me fix that real quick, because I figured out how to do them.
Yeah, the back is, just for experimentation.
The back is always the trial period.
I just feel like doing hair and I was looking at some pictures of like me in 2019. I was like, I don't know how I was doing all that hair. Consistently, always doing a twist out.
When?
2019, 2020.
Oh, yeah, you did have hair.
I always was doing a twist out. Now that I'm thinking about it, like it was always braids, twists, and that flexi too. I love me some flaxseed gel, honey. Or that eco gel.
Oh my gosh, y'all was driving me crazy with that. I was like, that stuff does not work in my hair. That was the era when Mama thought everything worked.
Yeah, for
the
everybody.
same hair.
Yeah,
I'm like, girl,
girl.
that stuff does not work for
Flaxseed,
me.
it didn't even work that well all the time. Like, it was kind of just like a hit or miss.
Definitely a miss all the time for me.
Yeah.
It was never a hit.
Are you coming to the train?
That's a good movie. Strange things.
I really only liked it because when she sung that song, I was like, ooh.
She really ate.
Moved.
I'm moved.
I'm gonna watch the new version, but I'm just so tired of
No.
black people being villains.
No, I don't.
But Viola Davis, you know what I mean? Like that's the
Oh
only
my
reason
gosh,
because
what
she
a
plays. She's such a
beautiful-
good villain. Like, oh, she's nasty.
What a beautiful black queen.
Oh, you know what? Never mind.
What?
She just posted in support of like you're black.
Child.
It's just so embarrassing seeing black people like.
Child.
You know who wouldn't do that? Scarface. I just feel like How to Get Away with Murder. Annalise Keating would never.
Boop.
Boo, 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 boost. Man, I'm gonna be so buffed by my birthday. Y'all don't even know. I can see it already. I can envision it. Like,
I just had to make sure I still had
I
muscles.
can't have nothing in this
Been a
house.
minute.
But you know how, it's inspiring actually. Before I say anything. But yeah, I like this lip gloss. I want to go ahead and do my next Halloween look, which is either going to be, I think it's just going to be Jack Skellington, honestly. Are you coming to the tree? They say, what they say? What they say? Say, stranger things I've seen. Strange things that happen in the Applewood tree. Are you coming to the tree?
All right, y'all. Ta-ta. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. If you guys like, comment, and subscribe and stay a while. Happy Halloween!